A mixed martial arts (MMA) tournament exclusively for humanoid robots has officially kicked off in China, where robots face off in intense, dramatic, and often humorous battles. Fierce clashes and strategic evasions are no longer a challenge for robot fighters. With the synergy between humans and machines, thrilling matches using smart algorithms among bionic robots have taken place. In late May, the CMG World Robot Competition Series, a mixed martial arts tournament featuring humanoid robot fighters, was held in Hangzhou and broadcast live on CCTV. "I never imagined robot battles could be this intense and captivating," commented a spectator watching the match. This humanoid robot MMA tournament was organized by China Media Group, CMG, in Hangzhou, marking a historic leap in robotics technology. The competition is a special event where humanoid robots demonstrate their strength through MMA, a sport requiring dexterity, balance, and agile movements. These are the goals that robot manufacturers are striving to achieve. This year, only humanoid robot models from Unitree Robotics, China's leading robotics company, participated in the tournament. Organizers hope to attract more international competitors in future editions. The tournament consists of two parts: exhibition matches and knockout rounds. The humanoid robots are remotely controlled and can unleash any technique to defeat their opponent, free from the restrictions seen in human MMA fights. Chen Xiyun, an engineer at Unitree Robotics, said the robots can perform straight punches, hooks, roundhouse kicks, spinning kicks, and can quickly get back up after being knocked down. Chen added that the robots in the tournament were designed to operate flexibly in high-paced environments with agile reactions. Unitree aims to develop robots capable of independently analyzing situations and launching attacks using AI without human assistance. The tournament has garnered significant public attention in China, delivering moments of high drama, tension, and humor for audiences. Many viewers were reminded of the 2011 film Real Steel, where humanoid robot MMA matches became a beloved sport. Following the success of this pilot tournament, China Media Group plans to hold a second competition in December, hoping to see participation from robots developed in countries like the United States and Japan. Organizers say the tournament provides a platform for international robotics companies to showcase their latest achievements in humanoid robot development, including advancements in AI and motion capabilities. Do you find this news interesting and exciting? If so, please like, leave your comments and hit the subscribe button to our channel to watch the next great news videos. Thank you and see you again. Wish you always full of joy. Review 4-inch front and rear dash cam. Drive safer with full HD recording. Looking for a high-quality yet affordable dash cam to protect every journey? Check out this popular 4-inch HD 1080p dash cam available now on Banggood. Key features: dual recording, front and rear, simultaneously captures footage from both the front and rear of your car. Perfect for evidence in case of an accident, especially when parked in public places. Clear 4-inch display, easy to use and lets you review footage directly on the screen. Full HD 1080p resolution, records sharp and clear images day or night. License plates and obstacles are captured in detail. Reversing camera support, automatically displays rear view when you shift into reverse. Makes parking safer and easier. 24H parking monitoring, even when your car is off, the camera keeps watch and can record unexpected impacts with parking mode. Dual lens plus wide angle, covers a wide field of view both in front and behind your vehicle. Where to buy? Get this product now at a great price from Banggood. View product details at the link in the video description. Personal review: I've tested this dash cam and was honestly impressed by the sharp image quality, compact design, and the dual-channel recording feature. Super helpful in accidents and disputes. Highly recommended if you want peace of mind and safer driving every day. Click the link in the video description below to check it out and grab yours today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment to share your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel, Best Products 365, for more awesome tech reviews and smart shopping tips. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.